So those two, these two, and there's two more here. Turn the unit here. Disconnect your camera. From here. Set that aside. And this is how this looks. From here, you want to remove this plate. If you're not taking off the front shell, don't worry about these side bolts that we just took off. If you're just doing the PC, just the back bolts here are fine. So once you get the two at the top, this little metal piece comes out. Might as well start unplugging everything. That piece comes out. And there's one more at the bottom here. Alright, so from here, take the fan off. You can unplug this and just start unplugging everything. USBs, take your video card out. Okay. Get these unplugged. Take the antennas off. Take out the power, take out the backup battery, one more, and then take this guy off. Now once this piece is off, one more screw hiding underneath the power cable. There we go. So once you get this cable off, of course, everything is detached. The PC will be able to pull out. Just like that. And then I'll take this off here in a second, show you inside. And this will be able to slide right out.